Hello everyone, welcome to the Form Builder. Today, I am going to show you how to use a formula field in the form. This feature allows you to add a calculated field to your form using mathematical expressions and formulas. The formula field works on the number field only, and make sure the number field and formula field should be mandatory. Here are the next steps to use this feature. Step 1. Create a form first. You need to create a form using the Form Builder application. To do so, click on the Create Form button and give your form a name. Step 2. Add a formula field. Once you have created the form, click on the Add Field button and select Formula from the drop-down menu. Give your formula field a name and click on the Create button. Step 3. Define the formula. After creating the formula field, you need to define the formula. To do so, click on Insert your formula in the formula creation icon. In the formula creation, you will see a blank page. Step 4. Enter the formula in the formula editor. You can enter the mathematical expression you want to use for the calculation. For example, you could enter field 1 multiplied by field 2 to multiply the total cost of an order. Here, field 1 and field 2 are placeholders for the actual field names you want to use in your calculation. Step 5. Save the formula. Once you have entered the formula, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your formula field is now ready to use. Step 6. Publish the form. Finally, when you are satisfied with the form, you can publish it by clicking on the Preview button. Step 7. To test the formula, add some data to the other fields in the form, and the formula field will automatically calculate the result. Your form is now ready to use by others. In conclusion, the formula field in the Form Builder application is an excellent feature that enables you to add calculated fields to your forms. With this feature, you can make your forms more efficient and accurate. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.